Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Good morning, folks. Today is Monday. It's a new week. My hair looks a whole mess because I wrapped it last night, but that didn't really help. So my hair looks like a grease ball. Hold on, let me adjust this. I don't know why my thing is acting up, but what else? Like, I'm over this. I'm gonna get a new vlogging camera eventually because this Sony, I don't want to deal with it. Anyways, so I am going to, so today, what's on the list for today? I'm gonna go to Maho Beach. I'm trying to fix this. I'm gonna go to Maho Beach, watch the plane watching today. It's the thing you gotta do when you come to St. Maarten, duh. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna try to get a photo in. So, you know, typical Francine, I meet people. Truth be told, let me tell y'all the honest truth. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. This place is not cheap. It's expensive. I really underestimated that, how expensive it is. I think food is actually cheaper than anything else, to be honest. But transportation is expensive. Excursions, like to go on the ferry tomorrow, God willing, I'm gonna go to Anguilla. The ferry is expensive, but it's an experience nonetheless. And money comes, money goes. So there's certain things that I would rather do. So if you're taking a trip, what I would say is prioritize what is important to you. Now I have an itinerary. I kind of like came off the itinerary. I should have rented a vehicle because I'm here this long. But again, too, it all depends, because technically I was supposed to only be here for 4 days, and then things happened, and now I'm here for 7 days. What time is it? Just want to see the time. I'm gonna shower, and then I'm going to. Okay, so it's almost 11, so I'm gonna shower. I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do no serious makeup or anything like that.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like
Duty-free section is like with the market. Straight ahead? Okay. Up and turn? Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for like this. Probably better if I show you guys this. Sorry. I'm just watching this video.
C'est comme ça, non, chérie, les tabasco là. Just follow the.
Go straight up
Yes,
and then
like this.
turn right.
Also,
Okay.
it's the line, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we do the way I bada. Tell me, what's it going? You are gone, all depends. They can't ride the whip, I no feel die for nothing. What's it going? You are gone, all depends. They can't ride the whip, I no feel die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they die to this one way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All depend. They can say, ride the whip, I no feel die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All depend. They can ride the whip, I no feel. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Rolling the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and Trace. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy.
Could came all the way down here. The clown. Even the clown. Good morning. You know what? This whole time I'm thinking, I don't even think I even said welcome to another solo travel vlog. I probably said it some time earlier, but if I didn't, my apologies. Welcome. I hope you made it this far and you're going to stick around and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. And yeah, so today is Tuesday, yes, Tuesday the 20th. So I have 2 more days here. Well, technically I leave on Thursday, so yeah, 2 days. So today I am going to Anguilla and I'm gonna be driving to the ferry because I don't know if I told you guys I rented a vehicle. I eventually rented a vehicle because, and don't mind the hair, please don't. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm doing the Justin Bieber right now. First of all, people are doing this hairstyle before Justin Bieber and this guy come and ruin it for everybody. But anyways, it's like after 6 right now, maybe 7. I have to turn the AC on. I have to fill in my lashes because these fell out. And just look at the view that I wake up to. Look at the sunrise. I don't know what. You can't even see it. It's so bright. So bright. That's the sunrise right there. That's my view. Like if you rent this B&B, just get this. Just get this. Like you need this. I'm gonna go outside and show you guys. Oh my God, the worms are getting devoured. I don't know what that is, but I see a bunch of ants. Look at those little caterpillar things. They make cocoons. But this is my view. It's so beautiful. Love it out here. Love it, love it, love it. It's my tea. And I have fruits cut up for breakfast. So I'm leaving here around, I'm gonna give myself time. I'm gonna leave at 8:30 and give myself time because I need to go take some money out. I spent so much money on like transportation a few days before. I wish I didn't. This is why traveling, you learn so much, and then I can kind of share that knowledge with people. So yeah, I should have rented a car from the moment I got here. It would have saved me so much. So yeah, it is what it is. You live and you learn. Such is life. Such is life. Yeah. So I'm gonna go fill these in, and then I'm going to do my devotion and get ready to go. It's still early, but time flies in this place, and we know how time has been flying of late. So I ain't even trying to play with that. I ain't even trying to play. Oh my god, what? Gonna have to use 15s. These are the lashes I'm using. Got these from Amazon. I'm gonna put it in the link. So this is my outfit. Girl, this is an orange top. I've had this for a while. I don't remember where I got that from. And the skirt I got from Dynamite. And I got these shoes from Call It Spring. Then I have my bathing suit here. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm not gonna put you guys through that. And then get ready. I'm gonna do my devotion, do my hair, do all that, and then get ready to go. So I'm doing my OOTD here because, yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So this top, I don't remember where I got this top from. Could be a little bit, the strap's a little bit loose, but whatever. This skirt from Dynamite. I want to show you guys how long it is. I'm 5'8". Too much. I'm getting ready to go. All right, I'm heading out now, okay? Bye.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed.
How do we change the language? Oh no! What?
You can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you could sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too.
You okay?
Nigga, catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl.
Today is my last full day here, so I am gonna go plane watching today at Maho Beach. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna stay there for the bulk of the afternoon, morning, early afternoon, see a couple planes, take some photos, and then I'll probably head somewhere else. This is not a full-length mirror, so I'm just wearing this cover up. And then I'm wearing my Monday swimsuit. I got it from Shein.
Sorry? Let me check for you.
Okay.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle.
It's legit like a hurricane right now. Like, if I show you guys, this is scary. Everyone's just sitting in here because it's raining cats and dogs. Literally, like, you can't even see anything.
Baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, blue stop. That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. Your soul got release and your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride me elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. All I need is minimum. I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions.
Okay, so I am practically packed, ready to go. This is all my stuff. I have my clothes that I'm gonna wear, and my shoes is out, so this is my clothes that I'm gonna wear. Check and make sure there's nothing left here. All my belongings are with me, and these are some final stuff to just put in my bag to take with me. So I have these sitting out here, and for when I do my hair, so I'm gonna actually do my hair now. Then I'll put those things away when I'm done. But yeah. Then I have my flat iron here. And that's that. I'm gonna put this camera away now because I'm tired.
Baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn.
Jesus Christ, man. Oh, where are you going? Oh, what time you come? But you're supposed to come 9. How come you come 9:30? Oh my God.
Oh, some women are very, very insecure. So they be your choice. Yes, I want you to want me, please and thank you, and me only.
Yeah, I don't want that to be waiting to see if me is better than the one. And if I have a woman, I don't want she to go there and that man push you there and that man
right
there and that man this share right there.
Right.
And then you come and tell me, oh, it's my friend, what's wrong? Yeah, something really wrong
yes,
with that.
Exactly.
And then me, you're gonna go up the road.
Exactly.
If you want to live them like that, then
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home